add onion in chopper bowl and medium chop. Add chicken and fine chop. Dish out all mixture. Add garlic powder, black pepper, salt, white pepper, coconut powder, and mix well. Now add cheddar cheese and mix it. Grease your hands with oil and make small balls. Put all-purpose flour in a bowl. Add corn flour, mix it and keep it aside. Put breadcrumbs, add chicken powder, garlic powder, black pepper and keep it aside. Break 3 eggs in a bowl and beat it well. First of all, well coated in all-purpose flour and corn flour mixture, then coat in beaten eggs and in the last, coat with breadcrumbs. Heat oil in big wok and fry till golden brown. Drain out all balls on paper towel. Add Thai chili sauce, soya sauce, chili sauce, corn flour, water and honey. Mix all these ingredients, put in a pan and cook on medium flame. Cook until thick. Now add sesame seeds and mix. Cook until thick like this consistency. Add fried balls and coat it with sauce. Dish out and garnish with green onions. Balls are ready.